Comparison of Korean schools and Canadian schools. Hi, my name is Kevin. I'm attending to QBMS and I'm in grade 6. Today I'm going to tell you about comparison of Korean schools and Canadian schools. There are many similarities and differences between Korean schools and Canadian schools. I have attended both school systems and have noted the similarities and differences. There are many similarities. We learn 2 languages. Korean students learn Korean and English. Canadian students learn English and French. Both school systems have summer and winter vacation. Canadian schools' summer vacation is 1 month longer than Korean schools' summer vacation. Korean schools' winter vacation is 3 weeks longer than the Canadian schools' winter vacation. Both school systems use gyms. In gym class, we play sports. Mostly we go to the gym in PE class. Sometimes there is bullying. In Korean schools, bullying is a serious problem. However, Canadian schools are peaceful. We don't go to school on Saturday. Before we used to go to school on Saturday, but the Korean government changed the law, so we don't need to go to school on Saturday. We have library. In library, we can read books like novels or non-fiction. The homeroom teacher teaches us. In Korean schools, the homeroom teacher teaches every subject except science and music. Also, there are many differences. In Korean schools, we eat lunch in a big cafeteria, but the lunch is yucky. Before we had to pay for the lunch, but the Korean government changed the law so we can eat lunch for free. The lunch was not as tasteful and there were only vegetables, so I hated our school's lunch. Koreans learn harder math. In Canadian schools, I learned about multiplication and decimals. But in Korean schools, I learned it in 2nd grade. Koreans don't ride a school bus because Korean schools are close to our house, so we just walk to our school. Korean schools have 5 recess times, but it's only for 10 minutes. Canadian schools have only 1 recess time. This is the end of my speech. Thank you for listening to my speech.
Good job. Oh.